We're living in a rubbish dump. If you find a bin, put it in. If you don't, take it home. It's our responsibility to keep our town clean. And it's up to us to find the solution to the pollution. Nobody wants to step in dog poo.
A million tons of plastic are thrown away in landfills when they could be recycled instead. And the plastic is killing all of our sea life.
Thousands of sea life die every year, and it's because of us. We need to keep our town clean.